In example 4, a cell phone company offers two plans. Plan A has 120 free minutes with 25 cents per additional minute. Plan B offers 33 minutes and a 75-cent charge for every additional minute. At which time for calls will result in the same cost for both plans. So again, we're going to model the problem with an equation, solve the problem, and then verify the solution. So again, we know that the cost for Plan A is going to have to be equal to the cost for Plan B because we want to know when they're the same. Plan A, we have 120 minutes plus 25 cents for additional minutes, and we'll use M for our variable. That's going to be equal to 30 minutes plus 75 cents per minute for Plan B. To solve this now, we're going to do the same thing as we did with the other examples. We're going to try and get the variables on one side and the numbers on the other. So we have 120 plus 0.25 m equals 30 plus 0.75 m. So let's start off by taking 30 away from both sides, because that makes that a zero pair. 120 minus 30 is 90, plus 0.25 m equals 0.75 m. And now we want to get the m's on the right-hand side, so we're going to take 0.25 m away from both sides. That makes a zero pair. 90 is equal to 0.50 m. Divide both sides by 0.50. That cancels out, and you'll see that m is equal to 180. So for both plans, to be the same, you would use 180 minutes of talk time. Part C, then we want to verify that. So again, I'll do that up here since I've run out of room. 120 plus 0.25 m equals 30 plus 0.75 m. We're going to put 180 in for m. So 120 plus 0.25 times 180 equals 30 plus 0.75 times 180. We get 120 plus 0.25 times 180 is 45. We get 30 plus 0.75 times 180 is 135. So when you add those together, you get 165 equal 165. So we know that our answer is correct because the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And just as an aside, they would both cost the same at 180 minutes, and the price for that plan would be $165.